Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and a very warm welcome to Alias Kitchen Creations. Now in those cold winter months, what's that one thing we all absolutely love to have? A nice, warm, comforting bowl of soup. So today I'm here with a fusion recipe for my very own beef ramen noodle soup. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. For this recipe, I'm using 300 grams of beef, which I've cut into small cubes. Now you can use lamb or mutton if you prefer, but be mindful that if you do, the cooking time will be a little bit longer. Cover and cook for approximately 10 minutes until your meat is tender. Once your meat is cooked, separate the meat from the broth and keep both things aside to use later on. Saute your onions for a couple of minutes until they turn translucent. Add approximately half a cup of water, enough to cover the potatoes and carrots, and cover and cook them for about 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. Cook the vegetables for a couple of minutes until you boil your noodles. So to make the ramen noodles, you would normally use fine egg noodles, but who doesn't love a shortcut in the kitchen? So today we're going to be using a pack of instant noodles. I'm going to be using a pack of Coca instant noodles, but it's perfectly fine for you to use any brand that you like. Whatever is your favorite, you can use that. Now, if you didn't use the stock cube earlier on in the recipe, you can add the little flavor sachet that comes with the instant noodles into your soup now. But if you've used the stock cube, then there's absolutely no need to use that flavor sachet. Add the stock we prepared earlier to a pan with 1 cup of water, bring it to the boil and then add in your packet of instant noodles. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until your noodles are nice and soft. Now add the noodles to your mixture and your soup is ready to be served. Now because we added a stock cube at the beginning of our recipe, we don't need to add any additional salt because stock cubes have quite a salty flavour and so does soy sauce. But at this point, when your noodles are nearly ready, you can give it a little taste and adjust the salt according to your preference. I really hope you enjoyed making this delicious soup with me today. Thank you so much for joining in, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you real soon for another episode of Alias Kitchen Creations. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep cooking. Time for me to tuck in. Delicious.